gentlemen, welcome His Excellency President Paul Kagame and Dr. Patrick Motsepe after making their way to the stage. Your Excellency, Your Excellency, President Paul Kagame, Dr. Patrick Motsepe, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, or I'm saying, Murakaza Neza to the Amahoro Stadium.
Should be so proud and thank our president for his leadership. I want to see the national team of Rwanda playing against the best national team. With your support, with your love, and with the talent, the football talent and the sports talent we have in Rwanda, we are going to win. Rwanda will win. Rwanda will be one of the best. I just want to say to my brother, President Kagame, thank you for your commitment. Thank you for your love. For your sacrifices to improve and to make the lives of our people in Rwanda amongst the best in Africa. And this beautiful stadium is a reflection of your love and your commitment to Rwanda and the people of Rwanda. Thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you very much, Dr. Motsepe, for your opening remarks. Now I would like to invite Your Excellency for your remarks. Thank you, sir.
Patrice Motsepe for, together with another brother, President of FIFA, Gianni Infantino, the two inspired us to put up a good sporting facility for football like this one. Many things to support Rwanda and our other brotherly African beyond to raise a kind of football through availing this kind of facility to many countries so that the young people of Africa can have where to develop and exercise the huge talent we have on our continent. In fact, this will lead to more retention of our best talent instead of exporting them all the time. But people will still remain free to go wherever they want to be, but they can also look to home for such retention and development of what they want to do. So Patrice and all of you, I want to thank you for this day, a great day for us, for Rwanda and for football, and we will do even more and try to do better. So now there is no excuse for our young football talent. You have to work hard, you have to work smart, and let's be counted among the best on our continent. So I wish you a very good evening and a very happy day. More things are ahead of us coming. So, all the best to you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for your remarks. Now we have two young talents who would like an autograph from the both of you. Let's clap our hands for the young talents. Yes. Now we're moving to the most exciting part of the event, right after the picture. After this, players get in position as we start with a kickoff. This is the fun part of the event, where President Paul Kagame and Dr. Motsepe are going to show us how football is played. Baje kutwereka uko umukino wa football bawukina. twinjiriyemo twaje gutaka ikibuga cy'amahoro aho nk'uko perezida wa repubulika yabitwibukije